everyone, today we are making my absolutely favorite shots. It's called Mexican candy. So I have everything right here that you need, and I'm going to be making it today right now for you. So step number one, here we have a mixer. Make sure I have the lid right here. We're gonna add ice into the mixture. Pick your tequila of choice. This is pretty affordable and it has a decent flavor. I'm doing 2 in here because I'm making 2 shots. We're gonna add the same amount of watermelon liquor. Alright, here we go. I got some chamoy. It has a little bit of sweetness and a tiny bit of spice. But this is gonna give it that candy flavor. So you're gonna add like 2 dashes in there. Your hot sauce of choice. I have Valentina here, so I'm just gonna do 2 dashes of that as well. And then you need some lemon. I forgot to cut that before, but I'm just gonna do it real quick. Just a half. Actually, I'm just gonna add all of it to give it more lemony flavor. Can't go wrong with that. And I'm just going to add a little splash of tahini in there. Alright. Make sure it's nicely sealed. And then we shake. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Just going to open it all. So this thing got stuck. And that's how you ruin it. Great. Great! Unbelievable! There's no more drinking unless you want to drink it off the floor. Babes, can you please cut it now?
No.